Hey guys, we have a crazy looking equation here and it says to solve for x. What that means is we want to get x alone on one side and set it equal to something. And that something is going to be expressed in terms of these other variables. Step one, let's copy it down. Right now we have an x on both sides of the equation. I want to move all the x's to the same side. In order to move this piece to the left-hand side, I'm going to add xma over dy to both sides of the equation. On the left-hand side, both these fractions have the same common denominator, so we can combine them into a single fraction. And then on the right-hand side, these two cancel each other out, leaving us with just an. Back to the left-hand side, there's two terms in the numerator. They have a common factor of x, so I'm going to factor that x out. So then we ask ourselves, x times what gives us xma? Well, that's ma, plus, and then x times what gives us xh? Well, that's h. So if you think backwards, if we were to distribute this, x times ma gives us the xma, and x times h gives us the xh. And then we can bring everything else down. Right now, the x is being multiplied by this divided by this. In order to get the x alone, we can multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of this, dy over ma plus h. This dy cancels with this dy, and this ma plus h cancels with this ma plus h, giving us just x on the left-hand side. So then on the right-hand side, we're going to have a fraction. On top is going to be this an times the dy, and on the bottom it's going to be ma plus h. So this right here is our solution for x. We can put a box around it. How exciting.